Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this halation effect on CapCut PC. Go to effects and type in the soft effect and apply it to your video. Adjust it to like around 50 to 60%. I'll go like in the middle here. Go to filters and type in clear. And add the clear to one on top of your videos. You can adjust the intensity here. Then I'm going to go to the adjustments tab. Actually, I'll just do it here. And you're just going to adjust it how you like it. You can adjust the exposure here. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to adjust the contrast to the left side as well. And to make it more vintage, make the temperature go to like the yellow side. Then I'm just going to adjust the saturation a little bit. And that's pretty much it. These are the settings that I like to add to my, I guess, halation effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Here are all the basic settings that I use. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.